I'm starting off with the NUDESTIX brow gel to lay my brows down, and then I'm going to be grabbing my Benefit Cosmetics Precisely Brow Pencil, one of my favorite pencils of all time, just to fill in the sparse areas. For my face, I'm using my DERMA Skin Restore Advanced. It's a big old name, but I use this on the daily, day and night. I love it. It just hydrates my face. And then I'm going to be using this one again, which is the Maybelline 4-in-1 Glow Skin Perfector. The first time it did burn, but I tried it again and I love it. So I don't know what happened the first time. This is one of my favorite brushes by IT Cosmetics, you guys, because it's a dual-ended. I can do my concealer and my foundation always comes out so good. I'm using the Bye Bye Dark Spots Concealer. It is really good. So for this one, I'm using my skin tone just to color correct. And then I'm using the NUDESTIX concealer in a lighter shade to brighten up that area. Since I got this blush by Kaja, the Strawberry Sorbet, it is beautiful. I do not put it down. It blends beautifully and it just looks so good on my skin tone. Now, this product, I cannot find it anymore by Benefit Cosmetics, which is their Hula bronzer in a stick. I freaking love it. I love the way that it blends and I love the way that it looks on my skin, but I cannot find it again. Is it discontinued? Now I'm going to set my face using my favorite setting powder by Laura Mercier. I love this powder, you guys. It is amazing. I am going to just set basically all over my face, but I focus on my bottom of the eyes and also on my forehead and around my mouth. So this MAC bronzer, which is called the Banana bronzer, I cannot find it. I'm guessing is discontinued as well because I can't find it anywhere. So I'm guessing it's an old bronzer that I was using, but it's so freaking good. I will find a dupe. Just applying it all over my face and also going to contour my nose. I finally bought those things for the eyes to do my eyeshadow, but I'm using the Too Faced Appley in Love palette. I cannot put it down. Now my daughter's obsessed with it too because she loves the maroon in it. But it's so freaking good. I love the way that it just blends beautifully. You can just come up with so many looks with this eyeshadow palette. This mascara has been so good to me. I love the way it makes my lashes it makes them longer and it just separates them and they look so beautiful. So for my lips, I'm using the MILANI Color Statement Lip Liner in Spice. Girl, I know I need a new one. I mean, who doesn't have a little lip liner? And for my lipstick, this color by Wet n Wild is so beautiful. I'm using the shade Booga Booga. I understand the name, but it's a beautiful color. Applying some lashes from Ardell Lashes, the Wispies. They are just my go-to lashes. This one's are Kiss, but it just really completes the look. And then adding some Buxom blush, and this one is in color Dolly. I freaking love it. It just brings back the color back to my face. And then setting my face using the Rimmel London Stay Matte Setting Spray, which it works really good and it's super affordable. And there you guys have my quick, simple, glam everyday look, but it is just gorgeous. And I hope you guys like this new little setup. Let me know what you guys think down below. I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and share this with your friends.